Kisses all of my kisses and welcome back to my channel. Today, what are we doing? We're going to break a sweat, bad bitch style. So go ahead and get your sexy on because we're about to have twerk fitness. Kisses to all of my kisses. Sorry for my appearance. I just finished doing a full hour of twerk fitness. So you guys pick your favorite song, throw on your most comfortable clothes, and try to do these dances for up to 60 seconds at a time, and then take 20 seconds off and try it again for another 60 seconds. Do intervals, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, or an hour. It is really up to you. You can work yourself all the way up to an hour. Let's get started. I've done this workout for about an hour. I do 60 seconds on, 20 seconds off. In between, I start to drink a lot of water. So if you can't get all the way to an hour, try 30 minutes and then 45 minutes and then an hour. Sometimes going to the gym can be a little scary, so you can start at home by simply playing your most favorite music and dancing around. As long as you're active, you're actually getting your cardio in, and it's a fun way to start. And then it'll get you used to being able to go into the gym and actually hit those weights and continue with your fitness journey. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for joining me. Please share, subscribe, and comment below and let me know how you feel about twerk fitness, because I would love to bring you more videos. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.